This is a trapezium with an area of 57 centimeters cubed. We need to find the x values in here. Since this is a trapezium, we need to look at the formula for a trapezium. The features of a trapezium is such that it must have two parallel lines. The other two lines are not parallel and can be of any length. But we do need to have the height between those two parallel lines. And usually this area is written as a half a plus b times h. What we're doing is we're adding the parallel lines. But I like this variation of this formula better, where it shows that a plus b, which are the two parallel lines, are added together, then they are divided by 2 and finally multiplied by the height. To see the blue trapezium a little bit more clearly, we could rotate this trapezium a little bit clockwise, and we could see that one of the parallel lines will be x and the other parallel line will be x plus 3, and our height is 6 centimeters. So using our formula here, we can now substitute these values into that formula and just do the algebraic work. And so we have that 57 is equal to x plus 3 divided by 2, and we multiply it by 6, which is the height. I'm going to reduce the 6 and the 2, so that will come to 3. And now I can rewrite this again and say that that is 57 is equal to x plus x is 2 lots of x plus 3, and we put this in the brackets because now we're going to multiply all that by just 3. I'll expand this by multiplying the 3 by 3 and also by 2x, so that 57 is equal to 2 times 3, 6x, plus 3 times 3, 9. And this will mean that 57 take away 9 is going to be 48, is equal to 6x. And therefore, x, I'll go up here, is going to be equal to 48 divided by 6, which is equal to 8 centimeters. So one of our sides is going to be 8 centimeters, and the other side is going to be 8 plus 3, which will make it 11 centimeters. And this is one of the questions in Mathematics 10.